Good morning, students. In previous link, I had explained you English lesson number 1 when Amma went to school. Today we will be completing the comprehension side and other worksheet from the workbook. Okay, let's start. Come to page number 9. Comprehension. Question 1. Answer these questions in complete sentences. Kids, we are going to write this question answer in our English CW book. Okay, till that we'll have a quick revision. What did Meera's Amma see when she came to school? So, Amma ने क्या देखा था when she came to school? What did Meera's Amma see when she came to school? क्या देखा था उन्होंने? Can anyone answer? Okay, I will answer. When Meera's Amma came to school, she saw that the gate was wide open and watchman was missing. क्या देखा था उन्होंने सबसे पहले कि गेट पूरा वाइड ओपन है एंड वॉचमैन वॉज मिसिंग. वाई डिड द टीचर स्क्रीम? टीचर इतने जोर से क्यों चिल्लाई? वाई डिड टीचर स्क्रीम? बिकॉज शी स्पॉटेड द स्नेक अंडर हर चेयर. कहाँ देखा था मिस ने? चेयर के नीचे देखा था. वाई वॉज रोहन क्राइंग? वाई वॉज रोहन क्राइंग? बिकॉज he could neither find his mouse nor he can find his snake. Why did the children stay on the terrace till the bell rang? Because they were hiding from the snake. है कि नहीं? Kids terrace के ऊपर क्यों रुके थे? Because they were hiding from the snake, right? So students, we have just read it this question as well as we have seen what would be the answers. In next, for the next time we will be writing these question answers in our English CW book. Then come to next question. Number these pictures in the correct order of their occurrence in the story. What we have to do? We have to number this picture accordingly as they comes in the story. So सबसे first चीज़ क्या थी story में? What was the first thing? That teacher spotted snake under the chair. टीचर ने स्नेक को देखा था चेयर के नीचे. So this should be the first one, right? Is it right? No. Very firstly, Rohan bought the snake and the mouse. Understood, student? So पहले आपको सारे पिक्चर्स अच्छे से देखने हैं एंड आपको स्टोरी याद करनी है. You have to remember it and you have to number accordingly to them. So what does picture says? Students are standing on the school terrace. They came for hiding in the staff room. Then snake ate the mouse. And here the teacher had spotted the snake under her chair. Then the students are running to the principal's office. So kids, remember what was the first thing? That snake ate the mouse. So the picture number 1 is this picture. सबसे पहले क्या हो गया? स्नेक माउस को खा गया. So this will be considered as number 1. Then what is the number 2 situation? Teacher spotted the snake. So this will be number 2. You have to write like this in the box. Then what was the third thing? Children ran to the staff room for hiding from the snake. So this we will be write it as 3. From staff room they ran to the principal office. So this is number 4. And the last, they stayed on the terrace till the school bell rang. So this is number 5. In this way you have to number the picture accordingly in the correct order. Okay. Now kids, let's turn our page. Next page, page number 10. What you have on this page? Spell and say pronunciations. In this section we will be read about double letter words. It means words ending with the same letter. Look at the picture here. T-E-double-L. What is written? T-E-double-L. Tell. कैसे end हुआ है? With the letter L. L कितने बार आया है? 2 times. It means double times. Then A-double-L. All. Tell. All. You have noticed these words are ending with the डबल लेटर, इट मीन्स एक लेटर 2 बार रिपीट हुआ है, डबल एल डबल एल. Double letter words are words that have a letter used twice together to stress a certain sound within the word. Why double letter words are used? They are used 2 times to give a stress, मतलब उसको थोड़ा डार्क बोलने के लिए. For example, see here the word stress. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Double S with the in the last. And ensure the word is pronounced correctly. For a correct pronunciation, sometimes it is used double letter like tell, tell, all, stress, hiss, puff, mall. Okay? In this way, complete the words using the double letters given in the box. हम ये double letters we will use for completing these words. Kids, now you are going to help me out. Okay? आप लोग मुझे हेल्प करेंगे. ये क्या चीज़ है? This is egg. क्या है ये? Egg. What should be the spelling? Egg की स्पेलिंग में क्या आता है? डबल जी. E डबल जी. Egg. What is this? Dress. क्या है? Dress. So we will end up with double S. Dress. What is this? Ball. B-A double L, ball. You can write it like this also. Ball. What is this? Class. Again S at the end. Next, doll. Double L. D-O double L. Doll. What is this? Add. Plus minus में हमने plus सीखा था, right? What do we say it as? Add. Additions, right? Add. A double D. Add. What is this? Bell. B-E-double-L. Bell. Pull. The boy is pulling the wheel, right? वो ऐसे पकड़ के खींच रहा है. He is pulling. P-U-double-L. Pull. What is this? Cliff. C-L-I-double-F. Cliff. Okay, kids? Then come to the next page. Page number 11. On the next page, you have vocabulary. It means we are going to increase our dictionary. Yes or no? We are going to build our knowledge power, word power. It means vocabulary. Rooms are places in school. Here are some places or some rooms in the school. You have to match these names with their meanings. So what is the first one? Hallway. Hallway क्या होता है kids? Do you know hallway? It means a place or a passage inside the entrance or front of the door of the school building. तुम्हारी स्कूल के आगे, क्लासरूम के आगे, from you have a little space to go inside. That is called as hallway. So what is the meaning of hallway? A space or passage inside the entrance or front door of the school building. So you have to match hallway with number 6. Keep your scale and match it with number 6 in this way. Next you have cafeteria. Cafeteria, what do you mean by cafeteria? A room or a place where we get food, drinks and everything. है कि नहीं? कैफेटेरिया होती है बहुत सारे स्कूल्स में, वेयर वी कैन purchase food items for eating. So what should be the correct one? A room where food and drinks are sold and students can sit and eat their food. This place is called as cafeteria. Match B with number 4. Next is auditorium. What do you mean by auditorium? It is a large room. बहुत बड़ा room होता है where we have place to sit like an audience and we can see many functions held in there. So the correct one is a large room with sitting place for an audience used for various functions. This place is called as auditorium. Match it with number 7. Then next you have number D, laboratory. What do you mean by laboratory? A room where we have many books, newspaper, then we keep our journals and that things. Is it called a laboratory? Very wrong. A laboratory is the place where we can perform experiments. Laboratory एक science lab की होती है usually where we can do many experiments. So what is the correct answer? A room used for science experiments and testing. This is called as laboratory. Okay, match it like this. Then the next is library. A library is the room where we have collection of books, newspaper, journals where we can sit and read. The correct answer is number 1. So you have to match it like this. आपको इसे मैच करना है. Next is gymnasium. What do you mean by gymnasium? It is a room with equipments, with some machineries where we can do physical exercises. Gymnasium. So what should be the correct answer? A room or hall with equipment for doing physical exercise. Match it like this. Gymnasium you will match with number 3. Last is playground. Very favorite place of every student where we can play. Children can play. So match it with number 5. An outdoor area where children can play. Match playground with number 5. So kids, here we are ending up with page number 11. In next video we will be completing our next exercises. Till that you have to complete your English workbook page number 9, 10 and 11. Okay, bye bye.